Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
WooCommerce website design is like building a shop from scratch. You can choose the materials you want for your store, like the walls, roof and colors, and arrange everything inside to your liking. Yet just like you need bricks, nails and tools to build a house, you need tools to build a website. WooCommerce is that tool. With WooCommerce, you can add products and services to your website, choose its theme, and customize your store however you want. A WooCommerce website designer is there to help you put all the pieces together, so your website looks just the way you want it.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.